10 Habits to Enhance Professionalism in the Workplace. In today's competitive world, professionalism and politeness are key to success in any workplace. Developing and maintaining these qualities not only enhances your personal growth, but also contributes to a positive work environment. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. So, here are 10 effective habits to help you enhance professionalism and politeness in the workplace. 1. Respectful communication. Practice active listening, use appropriate language, and maintain a respectful tone when communicating with colleagues. Show empathy and try to understand others' perspectives. 2. Punctuality. Arriving on time for meetings and appointments demonstrates respect for others' time. Plan your schedule accordingly and aim to be prompt and ready for any work-related commitments. 3. Dress professionally. Dress appropriately for your workplace. Follow the dress code and present yourself in a neat and professional manner. Your attire can make a positive impression and reflect your commitment to the job. 4. Positive attitude. Maintaining a positive attitude can significantly impact your interactions with colleagues. Be optimistic, approachable, and supportive. Avoid engaging in gossip or negativity. 5. Integrity and ethics. Adhere to high ethical standards in your work. Be truthful, honest, and maintain confidentiality. Upholding integrity helps build trust with your coworkers and superiors. 6. Effective time management. Manage your time effectively to meet deadlines and avoid unnecessary stress. Prioritize tasks, create to-do lists, and utilize productivity tools to ensure efficient work completion. 7. Collaborative approach. Embrace a collaborative mindset and foster teamwork. Respect and appreciate the contributions of others, and be willing to share your knowledge and skills for the benefit of the team. 8. Professional development. Continuously seek opportunities to enhance your skills and knowledge. Attend workshops, webinars, or conferences relevant to your field to stay updated and grow professionally. 9. Conflict management. Learn effective conflict resolution strategies to address workplace conflicts. Stay calm, listen to all sides, and seek common ground for resolution. Aim for constructive dialogue rather than confrontation. 10. Gratitude and appreciation. Express gratitude and appreciation for the efforts and achievements of your colleagues. Recognize their contributions openly and sincerely. Celebrate successes together as a team. By incorporating these habits into your daily work routine, you can foster a more professional and polite workplace environment. Remember, professionalism and politeness not only benefit you but also create a culture of respect, collaboration, and success for everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.